while Aarti, all married women are doing Dhunuchi dance, and this dance ami khub bhalo asche.
Hello everyone.
Namaskar. This side Shreya.
This side Priyanshu. So we are here to let you know about the upcoming festival, that is Durga Puja. Did you know, guys, that Durga Puja is celebrated all over the world in a very grand way? That some cities like Kolkata, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and so on, that cities that celebrate in very grand way. Okay, coming on to now, Shreya will tell you about the city Kolkata.
So let you know about what is the exact meaning of Kolkata. Kolkata means derived from Kolikata or Kalikshetra. It means the place of area of goddess Kali. So let's move on the fest on Durga Puja. It's the biggest festival in Kolkata. Durga Puja is also known as Durgoshav, Sardoshav and Navratri. It is 10-day festival in Kolkata and it is celebrated a very huge way. So it is bhalo ashe.
Okay. It is an annual Hindu festival celebrated in and organized in subcontinent of India. Okay, so coming about what the reason behind it. The reason is that okay, you can say that the reason is like the celebration all over the world by Hindu community. Okay, so coming to it, the reason, the why it is happening for the 10 days, as Lord Krishna says that everything happened for a reason. The reason is that the fight between the Mahishasur, the demon king Mahishasur, and Ma Durga last long for 10 days, and hence it is celebrated for 10 days. Coming out to the first day known as Mahalya, where the journey of Ma Durga starts from his natal house. On this day, Ma Durga is invited on earth by rituals.
On this day, the puja is also auspicious ritual on this day. It's called Kola Baubat.
On the second day is known as Dritya, where we worship Ma Brahmacharni, where she gives us the morality and strength to us.
So move on to the third day. It's called Tritya. On this day, Ma Chandraghanta worship. She gave us a natural sweetness of her voice and increase attraction. Move on to the fourth day. It's called Kushtmandama. So on this day, Ma gave us gain, wealth, and so on.
Okay. Coming to the fifth day known as Panchami. Okay. Panchami, where we worship Ma Skanda Mata, who opens the doors of salvation, that is the ultimate happiness, by worshipping Ma Skanda Mata.
So moving on to the sixth day, it's called Shashti. So on this day, Ma Katyayani, they give us health, wealth and grains, and she gave us all the enemies are destroyed. So moving on to the seventh day, on this day, the special auspicious rituals is called Pran Pratishtha. On this day, Ma came to the earth.
Okay. Coming to the eighth day is known as Ashtami, where we worship Ma Mahagauri, who glows our skin fair and throw our happiness by worshipping Mahagauri. Nextly, on the ninth day is known as Navami, where we worship Siddhidhatri, which is the like a meaning of meditation in his name. Okay, like we meditate and the glory accomplishment or by worshipping Ma Siddhidhatri.
So it is very interesting part on this day. So while 10 days, while Aarti, all married women are doing Dhunuchi dance, and this dance ami khub bhalo asche.
On the last day is 10th day, which is called the Vijayadashmi. We also celebrate on this day. Okay, coming. So did you know what are the famous themes and the pandals of Kolkata?
Yes, Dada.
Yeah. Okay. The pandal in this year and previous year also, the pandals were made in Kolkata. Just like first thing as like Ram Mandir.
So it's made up a square, college square.
Okay. Second one is like Mysore Palace, Bangalore.
So it is made by a Sri Bhumi Club.
Third one is like last but not the least, that is Jain Mandir.
So it is made by Evergreen Club.
So if you are visiting Kolkata, so don't miss the chance and opportunity to grab the opportunity, like go to the Durga Puja and celebrate this grand festival. So, in the last, I can say East or West.
So Kolkata Durga Puja is the best.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.